we're back. So, I went and got some sockets. 10 millimeter fits this thing. So, I'm gonna do this the hard way. Torque it down like this. I recommend just using a 10 millimeter socket from the get-go. Especially if you're on a floor, wood floor, or soft, or you're trying to push in and you don't have a lot of traction. You can't really push in that hard because these heads seem to strip out pretty quickly, pretty easily. So. Okay. Okay, so that seems like it's pretty solid. And it's pretty level-ish. So our next step is mounting the brackets onto the television. So here we go. I've got the holes here and here. I know it looks kind of high on the thing, but that's where the holes lined up to where I could use them. So I'm gonna try it and see if it looks crazy wonky. This TV is not super heavy, so I'm gonna see. These are pretty narrow here, so I'm gonna see if it's gonna be wobbly on the bracket. But a nice thing too is it looks like you can screw it in too to keep extra hold onto the bracket there. So I'm gonna put you guys over here. And you can kind of see, well, I put these screws in there. The thing when you screw into the back of the TV, you want to check out. You don't want to go too far with the screws, so you want to have the spacer that are provided, so you don't go too far into the TV. So, and then. So make sure you test that out, because this one only went about this far into the TV. So with the spacer it was about perfect, and then with the gap for the bracket it'll be about right there. So I'm going to go ahead and I think you just screw it in like this. I'm seeing if they want you to use the. Okay, so they're wanting to use a spacer. So, were there any more, when you took all this apart, love, were there any more little spacer things like this? Washers? Like this?
Don't know.
Okay, yeah, there are some in the bag, right here. So, we're going to open that. Of course, I'm going to have to use a pocket knife. So just be careful. I'm using a pocket knife. Okay. Okay. So get these little guys out of there and all this other stuff that I managed to open. Unintentionally. Okay. So they want you to do, I can show you. They want you to do the spacer underneath between the bracket and the television for some reason. So, okay, I'm gonna try and do that. So I'm gonna put the television on top of these two brackets here, so of course that one's being a 15. Okay, so I think I had it like, that's gonna fit, right? Okay, so I think I'm gonna put this one in first. Eek. So, because it's behind the bracket here, kind of having to drop it in there and hope to get it in there right. So I'm going to come from the bottom first, then flip it over. Okay. Then I'm going to put it through there and kind of have it there. While I get a head for this, it's going to fit. Don't mix those up, please.
Okay.
Yeah, hold on before you do stuff like that, please. No, that's not gonna work. What? Yes, that's fine. You can play with those. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and screw this one down first because testing if it will fit the screw head. Looks like it will. Okay, so that one's down. Pretty good. Looks like. Oops, was that how I had it? Okay, now I'm trying to remember. No, I think I didn't. Ah, man, I put it in the wrong hole. Okay, cool. So that worked. So I want it in that hole there. Okay, and then I'll put this other one underneath here. I'll line that up. Okay. So I need this and this. This is not the right one. This one. Oops. This one down here. Okay. Adjusting that. I'm adjusting this one a little bit. Okay. Now we'll tighten this one down. Like I said, I'm hoping this works instead of having to buy bracket like they want me to. We shall see. Okay, so once again, I need these left. Oh, where'd it go? Oh, really? Where'd it go? Okay, I have it right. Okay, so I'm going to put it behind there again, and put this one over behind here. Kind of lay it on there. Except we want it to be right about there. Okay. Put the screw in there. Oops. Okay. It's got a magnetic kind of a thing here, so that helps. Okay. Just kind of get that mostly in there. Yes. Well. I think, just can move over a little bit. Either that or this one needs to move over a little bit. It's looking kind of wonky. Don't want the TV to look like it's at an angle there, so. So, okay, leave that stuff on. Sorry. So, this is to attach these two little brackets here. With the mount they usually have for this, it's like a star mount or something like that. It's called a, what they say, a VESA mount. But I had bought this other mount already, which said it was for 43-inch LED TVs. Well, that's what I have, 43 or it's like 35 to 455 or something like that. So, I'm gonna go ahead and just try and put this thing on and see if it'll stay without being like. Okay, so. There we go. I hope it works. TV's not very heavy. I mean, this thing only doesn't weigh much, so I'm just gonna lift it up. Put it on the mount there, and looks about right. It's kind of right between the outlets, like I want it to be. So that seems to be about perfect. And it doesn't seem to be wobbly. Like I thought, because it's so far in the middle that it might be kind of like this, but it's not. So it's got these little screws in the back to tighten it down to the thing, so it hooks on there. So I'm gonna go ahead and try and tighten those. What can I get back there? Let's see. Oh. Let's see here. I'm not exactly sure what I'm supposed to be able to get back there, actually. A long screwdriver. Don't have one. No. So I'm gonna take this off real quick and try not to hit yourself in the face with it when you take it off. No, don't mess with that. So it says you can tip these brackets, so I'm gonna try and tip them so I can have room to unscrew, hopefully, or to screw. Okay, so I'm gonna tilt it. I'm gonna tilt them both to the maximum out, so I'm seeing if it'll give me any more room. I don't know if you can see that. So I tilted the brackets kind of out. Move this. So just see if it will give me some extra room there. On which to. So you can see it tilts. Well, I don't think you want to see that. But it allows it. I can't. Dadgummit. I'm seriously gonna have to get another tool. Hold on, let's see here. Maybe I can get my drill back there. Really don't want to have to get another tool. I'm out in a tree house out here. Come on. What's next? Rabies shots for the Easter Bunny. Come on. Okay. Good night. Everything's fighting me tonight. Let's see here. I don't know if this little thing will be long enough to reach or not. So, hoping the extra width provided that it will reach. Oh man, are you serious? Okay. Beautiful. Okay, so I think I got me just enough room where it looks like it's locked on that side and locked in on that side. So now it's kind of solid, and this tilts, so you can tilt it down or up on this, so it works about perfect. So because in my tree house here I got a loft, or a futon down there, and then I got a loft up there, so if you want to be up in the loft, you can, let's see here, see if I can show you the tilt. Oh, sorry to move you around like this. Okay, so you can see there, you can tilt it back like this. It kind of stays like that, or you can tilt it forward. So, I was a little worried about this fitting on this bracket because it's like a different kind of wall bracket. But this monitor is actually really light, maybe 15 pounds, maybe. So, it's looking. Why does it look? Okay. So, yeah. So it's looking pretty good. So it looks like it's gonna work. So there you go. That's how to mount LED TV onto a mounted bracket, not a V-sub bracket like this one called for, but I think that'll be fine. So you can do it. It looks like it's going to be solid. Doesn't look like it's going anywhere. All right. Thanks for watching, everyone. Hope that helped. Have a great day. Sorry it took so long. Yeah, that's how these installs go, though, right? True life here.